what's up, everybody? What's going on, my TTG fam? How are you all doing here today? I hope you guys all had a wonderful, fantastic, phenomenal, amazing, relaxing, fun, safe, throw another adjective out there, guys, weekend, but are ready to get down to business and make some money here this week. But today is giveaway day, baby. We are going to be giving away right here on this live stream. Yes, you saw it in the intro video, either a brand new Porsche Model 3 or $30,000 and either a Porsche Macan or $50,000. That's happening right here, guys, live on this YouTube stream. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, guys. Before we get started, I first want to thank our partners over at Benzinga for supporting this stream. Guys, go ahead and give Benzinga a follow on Twitter. Their Twitter handle is at Benzinga. Very simple, at BENZINGA, Benzinga. Guys, go ahead and give them a follow there on Twitter. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting the True Trading Group live stream. You guys are the best partners that we can have, and the tools and resources that we use from Benzinga on the TTG platform, like our real-time news feed, are absolutely out of this world and invaluable. We love you guys. Thank you so much. Now, guys, if you are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, then you guys have come to not only the right place, but the place. Guys, take a moment right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this stream on your own social media. Okay, let's get this out to as many traders as we possibly can. True Trading Group is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal. And that's to learn, trade, and profit together 6 nights a week right here, Sunday through Friday. We go live for free on this YouTube channel where myself, other TTG Pro Trader moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets of education and free lessons that are going to help you to become a better trader. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. And along with my team of 6 other pro trader moderators, guys, we cover all different styles of trading, from day trading, swing trading, options, advanced options, shorting, long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody in True Trading Group, regardless of your trading style or your experience level. Guys, I began my career working for a fund right out of college, 2007. Then 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the housing crisis, the subprime mortgage mess. I actually went on to thrive in that volatile market, though, going on to receive a Trader of the Year award from the fund in 2008. All right. But before I was ever able to touch a single dollar of their money, I first had to go through an intensive training program. Literally, the first couple of months of my employment there, I was in a classroom style setting with other new hires, and we were taught how to trade from professional traders. I didn't have to scour through YouTube and try to, sift through hundreds of hours of videos to try to figure out who's legit and who's totally full of it, who's actually has something of value and education that they can provide to you, and who's just trying to sell you a hope and a dream. Okay. But that is where I learned how to become a trader. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught, nothing special about me, guys. I'm sure, many of you, if you guys were going through the same type of educational training that I went through, your first experience, I'm sure a lot of you would be a lot further along in your trading careers than you are now. And that has a lot to say about the value and the importance of an actual education when it comes to trading. There's nothing special about me or any one of the other TTG moderators or any one of the other TTG members that have gone on to become profitable traders. It's just the education. There's nothing special about anybody else versus the other. Okay. Just the difference is that some people have never really gotten a professional education or understand how to trade on a serious level. Other people are trying to figure it out on their own by watching a bunch of hours and hours of YouTube videos. Okay. So before they ever let me touch $1 of their money, I had to go through this training program. Okay. I have since taken that training, that curriculum, that education. I've simplified it. I've paired it with some of the top trading tools that are out there today. And I've made it all available to my teaching members on one easy to use, in-depth platform that we like to call TTG. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are amped up to get things started here tonight. It's giveaway day, baby. I hope you guys are excited. There are literally, this is how crazy this is. There are 2 people that are on this live stream right now. Right now, there's about 2,200 people that are live with us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. We're streaming across all 4 social media channels. Welcome everyone that's joining us on all those different platforms. 2 of you. There's 2 people that are out there right now that are going to either be 30 grand or 50 grand richer in about an hour. Okay. So like, I love these. I get so amped up. I get so nervous doing these giveaways, but I can't help it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's like, I don't know, it gets my blood flowing, it gets my blood flowing a little bit. So guys, what I want to do here real quick, before we do get this live stream started, we got a lot to do tonight, right? We've got a Tesla giveaway. We've got the Tesla 30 grand giveaway. We got the Porsche 50 grand giveaway. We've got the weekly outlook. I'm going to be doing, a Q&A session. But before I get anything like that started here tonight on this live stream, I want everyone that's on this live right now, if this is your very first TTG live stream, or if you're not a member of True Trading Group, I want you guys to go ahead right now, type the letter I in chat right now if this is your first TTG live stream or you are not a member of True Trading Group. I'm going to expect a lot of letter I's tonight. Here we go. Here they come. Look at all these eyes. Hastings Crumpton. We got Deepak. We got Christiana. We got KH. Happy Couple. Marie Eve. Elo Games. Albert Harper. Mary Kemp. Ann LaPuma. Cody Crum. Charleston Burks. George Coley. We got Stacy Caros. Deo Salaka. Mike Group. Crux Scali. Han Soin, Benny Louie, Philippe Pat, Mark Hopper, Ray Castillo, Jeff Justice. Wow, look at all I can't even keep up. There's too many letter I's that are coming through chat right now, guys. Too many letter I's coming through chat right now. Sebastian, Donald, Jerome, Derek. Look at all these letter I's. Oh my goodness, guys, I love it. Wow, guys, this is incredible. Look at all these letter I's. Look at all these letter I's. Wow. Guys, listen up. Seriously, for all of you that are typing the letter I, in chat right now, and my goodness, there's a lot of you, you are about to get a crash course in what it means to trade for real. Okay, you guys are going to get a crash course of what it means to get a professional education. In True Trading Group, there's no fluff. There's no BS. It's just transparency, straight up. I tell it how it is. I don't blow smoke up your ass. I don't promise you the star and the moons to only just, give you nothing like a lot of other people, a lot of other services out there. There's no BS here, guys. Right, just a straight up truth, hence the name True Trading Group. So stick around for a while. For those of you that are all typing the letter I in chat, I guarantee you guys are going to learn something here tonight on this live stream. Guys, listen up. Tonight's live stream is going to go down as follows. I'm going to start things off with a 20-minute live Q&A session. Okay, now listen to me carefully. This is your chance to ask me whatever the hell you want. All right, and I'm going to tell you guys this now. There's a lot of people that are on here that are brand new to trading. Obviously, we have a lot of other people on here that are very experienced traders. There's a lot of people on here that are not experienced. If you are not experienced, I do not want you to feel shy. I don't want you to feel embarrassed to type a question in chat that you might think is a stupid question. There's no such thing as a stupid question. I've been doing this for 17 years, but I also had a day one. Okay, I also had a day one. And if I had nobody that I can ask questions to, I wouldn't be the trader that I am now today. If you guys have a question, I guarantee you there is somebody else on this live stream that has that exact same question. Okay, that has that exact same question. So we're going to start things off with that Q&A. Then we're going to get into a weekly outlook. And then we're going to be getting into all the giveaways. But listen, before I go any further, okay, before I go any further on this live stream, there's 2,400 people that are on this live stream right now. Guys, listen to me carefully. Just in case Okay, seriously, everybody listen to me carefully. Stop what you're doing. Pay attention. Listen to me. Focus right here. Just in case our live stream crashes, okay, we are going to be providing you with a backup link right now in the chat. Okay, I want you guys to save this link. Okay, if for some reason something happens to this live stream and we crash or we get shut down, we are going to be going live on a new link if something happens. This is just a backup plan. Okay, this is just a backup. I'm not saying anything is going to happen. I don't know if anything's going to happen. I don't think anything's going to happen, but we have a lot of people that are on here joining us here tonight. So just in case, we're giving you guys the backup link right now. There's the backup link. It's in chat. It's right there. Save that link. Okay. And if something happens here, you will then click that link and we will go live on that link just to be safe. Okay. Cool. Get it? Got it? Get it? Got it? Good. Guys, let's not waste another minute. I want you guys to start typing your questions in chat right now. And then Adam is producer on all these lives. And my partner in True Trading Group, he's going to grab the questions. He's going to throw them up on the screen for me to answer. So without any further ado, let's not waste another minute. Start typing your questions and let's begin that Q&A. All right, guys, so like I said, go ahead. Don't be shy. Type your questions right in chat. All right, what are your tips for growing a super tiny account? Okay, my tips for growing a super tiny account. My tips for you would be to first, I want you to also learn how to trade options. I want you to learn how to trade options, okay? Don't be scared of options. Yes, options do carry some higher risk, but options also carry potential much greater reward, okay? We have had a lot of TTG members that have gone on to grow very small accounts up to large accounts, and they've done that starting out by mostly trading options. People with very small accounts do not have the capital to trade certain priced stocks. So if you have a real tiny account, I would tell you to focus on, cheaper, lower priced small cap stocks, but also understand, learn, and start to trade options as well. Okay. Because, if you might not have $1,000 to buy, shares of a stock, but you might have $100, okay, to buy, one option contract in the SPY. Okay. Or 2 or 3 option contracts of a US Steel or a Bank of America or one of the other, option trades that gets called out as an alert in chat. We have inside of True Trading, guys, we have moderators that actually specifically focus on options. We have a couple of them. Actually, you have Chris Toner, who's been trading options for about 20 years. You've got the Wolf, who's a fantastic option trader, and nobody knows the cannabis space better than him. You got Momin, who really focuses on like some swing trading option setups on the large caps. So this is something that I think can really help people that have really small accounts. The other thing that I would tell you is do not have the tendency to say, and this is what happens a lot of times with traders that have really small accounts. They feel like, man, my account's so small. Let me just try to double this real quick. Don't have that mentality. Okay, trying to double your account real quick is how you will is how you blow up your account. So understand that, start small, start slow. If you're on a tiny account, it's going to be slow. It's going to be small, but that's how you'll start to grow your account up. And eventually you'll have more money in your account, more buying power, allows you to buy bigger positions, take more risk, make more money on the trades. Okay. So I would say to fall right in line with learning how to trade options. And we have a beginner intro to options course as part of our curriculum. So like if you guys have never traded an option before, you don't even know what an option is, don't worry about it. Our intro to options will start you guys off fresh from day one. Okay, I was a member of Raging Bull and did like their teaching, but you know what happened? So I already lost the $5,000 I invested with them. So what makes your style different or more effective than the trend pattern squeeze of Nathan Bear? Okay. I don't know what the trend pattern squeeze of Nathan Bear is. That's first and foremost. I don't know anything about Raging Bull's teachings. What I will, nor do I give a shit about Raging Bull's teachings or Nathan Bear's trend pattern squeeze or whatever that means. I don't even know what that means. Guys, listen. What makes True Trading Group different from everybody else that's out there? First and foremost, when you guys are going to be going through the curriculum and the education that you're getting access to in True Trading Group, it's a simplified version of what I learned that I worked at the fund in New York. All right. So again, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I didn't come up with some kind of like catchy little gimmicky phrase or like a special little pattern where there's like a little trick to it. I was taught how to do this from other traders that were far more experienced than me, that were far better than me. I was brand new, fresh, right out of college. I had no idea what I was doing. They taught me everything that it is that I know. Okay. That's first and foremost. Second, you're also going to get variety. You're also going to get variety. The variety that you're going to get in True Trading Group is it's not just me. Okay. All the different moderators that are in True Trading Group all specialize as their own niche and in their own style and strategy of trading. So we have small caps, mid caps, large caps, day trading, swing trading, shorting, longer term swing trading. We do long-term investing in True Trading Group as well. There's high volatility trades. There's low volatility trades. There's trend continuation trades. There's trend reversal trades. There's so many different styles and strategies of trading in general. And I think a big mistake that a lot of people make is that a lot of people try to put themselves inside of a box, and they'll like, this is the big mistake that people make is like, they go online. They'll see one trader, be like, wow, look how much money this trader made. I'm going to follow this person. You're not realizing that there are so many other different styles and strategies of trading. Like, okay, like my style and maybe my style is not for you. Maybe my style doesn't work for you, but maybe Momin's style or Jay Downing's style, who are two of our other pro trader moderators inside of True Trading Group, maybe their style is more your speed and is more, I like volatility. Okay. I trade everything. I'm very diverse. I trade small caps, mid caps, large caps, ETFs, options. I day trade, I swing trade. I do it all. Okay. But I also really, really like high volatile stocks like BTX, for example. I love stocks like that. I trade them all the time. Okay. Some people don't like stocks like that, like the Wolf, Jason Spatafora, one of the traders inside of True Trading Group as well. So he likes real low volatile stocks. He doesn't like, it's like you go to the amusement park and, I want to go on the roller coaster that goes upside down 3 times. You want to go on the Ferris wheel. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But you have to understand that there's different styles and those styles carry different strategies. And you have to understand that. And it's important, especially when you're beginning your trading, that you experience a little bit of what these different styles and strategies are like. Because if one is not for you, maybe it might not be that you're just a really bad trader and this will never work for you. It might just be that the style you're trying to implement or duplicate by trying to watch somebody else, that style might not be fitting for you, might not fit your personality, might not fit your lifestyle. There's so many different styles and strategies. You're going to get access to all those different avenues inside of True Trading Group. And then last but not least, we don't have an FTC case pending against us. So I would say that that's kind of, oops. Oops. I hope that answers your question though. What do you recommend for a new member in the West Coast and work a full-time job? Colada Cup is tough at 4 a.m. Pacific. How much time in pre-market do you recommend each trader block for research and planning? Okay, great question. Flacco Banks, great question. We have a lot of West Coast members. Okay, not even just West Coast members. We have a lot of international members. True Trading has members from all over the world. Look, we have members in Japan, the Philippines, New Zealand, the Netherlands, Spain, Brazil, Chile, Canada, the UK. And we have members literally from all over the world. So Hawaii, we have a handful of members in Hawaii as well. So we have members that, deal with a lot of really difficult time zone restrictions and limitations. Being on the West Coast, you're in a great position because a lot of our West Coast members are able to wake up and trade the morning before they go to work. We open up the chat room at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, which for you is going to be 4:30 in the morning. You don't have to be in there at 4:30 in the morning. You don't. What I would say is that if you can give yourself, if you're an inexperienced trader, if you can give yourself an hour, in the morning. Now, listen, everyone's different. Everyone, takes longer to kind of go through charts and go through the watch list and the game plan. But from 7:30 a.m. till around 9:10, 9:15 a.m., Jason Simmons, who's one of our moderators, we call him the professor, he's in chat with everybody, going over the watch list, going over economic data that's coming out during the day, answering questions. It's basically just like, this like hour and 45 minute, just seminar. It's a learning session every single day. And a lot of our members are in there with him when he opens up that chat room at 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Then I come on a little shortly after 9 o'clock before the bell. The bell's at 9:30. I come on a little shortly after that, and I go over my watch list and I go over my game plan. My game plan is, guys, this is what I think these stocks are going to do. Okay. And if they do this, I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be a buyer here. I'm going to sell here. Look for this to be support. Look for this to be resistance. I go over that entire game plan with people in the morning. And I think if you're West Coast and you work a full-time job, I think, getting yourself up, if you can be there, 5:30, 5:45 and kind of get yourself into the groove. Okay, what's going on? What's the watch list? And then the bell rings at 6:30 and then you can trade until, 8:30, 9 o'clock your time and head to work, or you can trade until 7:30, 8 o'clock, depending on what your work schedule is. But even if you do have to leave and go to work, don't stress it, because we have a mobile app that will allow you to still be connected to chat, even though you're not in front of your computer. Okay. True Trading Group, we have, I don't know, probably 5,600 members, somewhere in that neighborhood. But during the day in chat, the exact number is 5,810. So there's 5,810 members inside of True Trading Group right now. But during the day, there's only like 2,200 people in the chat room. So all of those other members, are doing other things. They're getting trade alerts on their cell phone by means of the mobile app. Like, even if you're not in front of your computer, you can also use the mobile app to be logged into chat. So you can actually see the screen share. You can listen to the audio analysis. All of these things you guys will be able to do, even though you work a full-time job. The overwhelming majority of our members do work full-time jobs. Okay. Actually, here, I'll do this. I'll ask you guys right now, my TTG members, if you are a member of True Trading Group, okay, if you're a member of True Trading Group and you work a full-time job and you are killing it with True Trading Group, type the letter I in chat right now. Again, if you are a TTG member, you work a full-time job, and you guys are making money with True Trading Group, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now. So anyone else that has this same concern, I want you just to pay attention to all of the letter I's that are coming through the chat right now. These are all TTG members that have full-time jobs but are making money with True Trading Group. And that mobile app has a lot to do with it, So, don't feel restricted or anything like that because you guys work full-time jobs. There are literally thousands of True Trading Group members that are making money while still working a full-time job. Look at all those letter I's. Man, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. I do. I do. I can't help it. You guys are the best. I can't wait for tomorrow morning. Is it Monday already? Where's the bell? Somebody give me the bell. Ring the bell. Oh, ring the bell. Next question. Are you guys in general, you guys making money with True Trading Group? I mean, obviously, right? We just said, are you making money? Are you making money or working a full-time job? But yeah, if you guys are making money with True Trading Group, sound off in chat. And what does that look like? What does that look like? I'm curious. I think a lot of our first-time viewers are curious because our first-time viewers, you know, and this kind of goes back to, I believe the name was Stacy, if I'm not mistaken, who just asked the other question about Raging Bull. I believe the name was Stacy. I could be wrong. But, you know, I think it's important for other people that are maybe, you know, oh, what makes you different? What makes you this? What makes you that? Honestly, the best way for you guys to tell if a group is right for you is to just pay attention to the reviews of your peers. Like listen to members. You know, there's no difference between a member right now that's commenting. Okay, there's no difference between them and you. They all found True Trading it the same way you did, and that's through a live stream. You know, 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. 82%. That's the current statistic. You know, we survey our members. 82% have gone on to become profitable traders, which means 18% are still struggling, but we leave no trader behind inside of True Trading Group, guys. That's why actually every couple of weeks we host something that's called the Red to Green Workshop. The Red to Green Workshop is where me and some of my other moderators, we go and we hold like a webinar, like literally a workshop, where any member that is struggling can come in. You can ask us whatever questions you need help with. We actually send out like a survey to those people that want to participate in the Red to Green, and we ask them, like, what topics do you want to hear about? What topics are you struggling with? And we get that feedback from them, and then we'll go through them and say, okay, here's the topics that people submitted that, okay, out of our members that are struggling, here's the topics that they submitted. These are topics they need help with. And I will take the most commonly answered topics or questions, and we will develop and put like a 2-hour workshop based on those lessons and those topics. We put that together every couple of weeks for all of our members that are struggling. So like I said, 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. 18% are still struggling, but we do not leave those traders behind. We are here, me, the moderators, even the TGD family members. Guys, man, the TGD members, they just amaze me. They just amaze me. You know, it's like every day, it's like, you know, you see a member asks a question, and, you know, literally members are answering questions even before I get to it, or even before any one of the other moderators get to it. It's crazy. You know, it's really amazing, like how much everybody feeds off of one another. Everybody helps each other. That's what being part of a group should be. You know, being part of a group, that's how it should be. It should be you guys all share the same goal, learn, trade, profit together, build relationships that are going to last a lifetime. That's exactly what we're doing inside of TTG. So I hope that helps. Next question. Nice. Way to go, Alex. Alex ripped out 8K last week. Great job, man. Really great job. Can you talk a bit about how you choose your strike and options, in the money or out, closer to where you think the stock's going? Brittany Jones, excellent question. It's a matter of personal preference, to be completely honest with you. I'll tell you how I do it, and then I'll tell you kind of the other options that you have. And when I say options, I mean like the other choices that you have, which in this case would be options. So that actually would make sense. The further you go in strike price, the higher risk you're taking on the trade. Okay. So let's say a stock is trading at $100 and you think it's going to go up. If you buy a 102 strike, there's going to be less risk on that option than if you buy a 108 strike. If you buy a 110 strike, a 115 strike, okay? Those contracts that are further out are going to be more volatile. They will carry more risk. But if you're right and the stock actually does go to that price, it can carry tremendous reward, okay? Because the further out you go in strike price, the cheaper that option is going to be. And if the stock does actually get all the way to that price point, the gain that you're going to get percentage-wise, it's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. But with that massive potential gain comes this extra layer of risk, because it's not likely for the stock to go all the way to 108 or 110 if the stock's at 100. Now, it might be more likely it goes to 102, that has a much higher chance of that happening. So that will be a little bit of a lesser gain, but also a little bit lesser risk. Okay. The way that I trade options is I will usually buy a strike price that when at the time I buy the option, it's out of the money. But if the stock does what I think it's going to do, it'll go into the money. Okay. And then there are some scenarios on an option that maybe has really high implied volatility, or just on a really high volatile stock, that I might go at the money options. At the money options mean you're buying a strike price that is equal to the price of the actual stock. So let's say, you were trading a stock and it's trading at $100 a share, and you buy a $100 strike call option. That's an at the money option. Then if you buy a 102 call strike, that's out of the money because the stock's at 100. You're buying a strike that's at 102. It's out of the money. If you buy a $98 strike, that's considered in the money because the stock's at 100, your strike price is 98. Okay, so that's how it goes for call options. The call options, you're going to buy. And actually, you know what? Let me back up, because I know there's a lot of people that are brand new here, and I don't want to just fly over this because this might be over your heads a little bit for some people that are brand new. You'll buy a call option if you think the stock's going to go up. Okay, so the examples I just gave you were regarding call options. If you think the stock's going to go up. Put options will be the opposite. You think the stock's going to go down. So you'll buy a put option when the stock's going to go down. Now let's use the same example. Stock's trading at $100. Okay. If you think the stock's going to go down, you can buy a $100 strike put option. That would be considered an at the money put option. Stock's trading at 100, your strike price is 100. Okay. If you buy a $98 strike put option and the stock's trading at 100, that's considered out of the money this time. It was in the money for the call option, right? Because the call option you're talking about a stock going up. The put option, you're talking about the stock going down. So $98 strike put option is out of the money if the stock's trading at 100. A 101 strike put option would be in the money because the stock's already below it. The stock's at 100. Okay, so if the stock is below the strike price of a put option, it's considered in the money. If it's above the strike price of a put option, it's out of the money. And then the opposite is true on the call option. Okay. So guys, don't worry. This was, if this was your first experience with options, you're sitting there probably like this. Don't worry about it. Like, talking about options it sounds a lot more complicated than it really actually is once you learn it. And do not worry. Like I said, we have an intro to options course, then we have an advanced options course. The intro to options course, if you've never traded an option before, you don't even know what it is, don't worry. It'll walk you through from step by step, guys. Don't worry about it. Okay? So I hope that helps, Brittany. Please tell us your style and what make it more effective than others. Stacy, you're on fire right now. I'm pretty sure, Stacy, you're the one that asked about the Raging Bull question as well. So here's my style, Stacy. My style is, I consider myself a traditional day trader that also swing trades. Now, what does that mean? Okay. That means that I day trade mostly, but I also do swing trade. But I day trade more than I swing trade. That's why I consider myself a traditional day trader that also swing trades. What do I mean by traditional day trader? I'm not a scalper. Okay. A scalper is somebody that buys and sells stocks within seconds. Okay. The longest trade of a scalper is like a couple minutes. Most of the trades they buy, they're out in 30, 40 seconds. I'm not a scalper. Most of my day trades will last anywhere from several minutes to several hours long. Okay. I'm not trying to catch that. Okay. A scalper will try to catch that, and that's it. They're done. Right. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to catch this. That's what I'm trying to catch. Okay. That's a traditional day trader. I don't chase momentum. I trade patterns. I trade setups. What makes my style different than others is that, I think I have received an education that I don't know of anybody else that offers any kind of, service or anything that has received the same type of education that I have. Again, I didn't figure this out on my own, guys. I'm humble enough to be like, hey, there's nothing special here. I don't have a secret. I was just straight up, I was taught my first job out of college working for a firm in New York City. They taught me how to trade. Okay. I didn't come up with a gimmick or some kind of secret that I'm going to share with you guys. The secret that I have to share with you is the education that I received from professionals. And, what makes my style, different than others, or you said more effective than others, is I think it's the diversity. Because I'll trade small caps, mid caps, large caps. I trade options. I'll do shorting. And that diversity is something that will come in handy in different market environments. There's so many different times that I've seen traders just absolutely crush when small caps are hot, and then when small caps are cold, they suck. I've seen people crush when the market's going to all-time highs, and then as soon as there's a pullback, they lose everything. I think that when you receive a professional education, you're able to apply it to not only different styles of trading, but also different asset classes. And I think that for someone to be consistently profitable, I think you need to be diversified, because there's always opportunity in the market somewhere. But if you're just looking in one place, yes, sometimes this one place, the party's going to be rocking. Other times you're going to look at this one place, it's going to be a desert. It's going to be a desert. So while you're looking at the one place that's the desert, I'm over here because there's a whole nother party in town over here that's somewhere else, whether that's a small cap, mid cap, large cap. Okay. So that's kind of, that's probably the best answer that I can give you guys. All right, guys, listen, before we go any further, okay, this is a big night tonight, huge night tonight. We're giving away cars and cash. It's going to be a huge night tonight. Before we go any further, okay, our giveaways work as follows. Remember, right now on this live stream, we are going to be giving away either a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash to one lucky annual TTG member. Then we're going to be giving also away a brand new Porsche Macan or $50,000 cash to one lifetime TTG member right here on the stream. But here's how the giveaways work. Okay, in order to qualify for the giveaway, you must be on the live stream. In order to confirm that you are on the live stream, we are going to be giving out a passcode for the Porsche and Tesla giveaway. Right now, I'm going to give out the Porsche giveaway passcode. Okay, when we will put it on the screen and say it, if and when your name is called for the Porsche giveaway, Adam is going to call your cell phone. You will have to tell Adam the passcode. If you cannot tell him the correct passcode, you will be skipped. We will spin the wheel again and another name will be drawn. So everyone that is a lifetime member of True Trading Group, write this down. The passcode for the Porsche or $50,000 giveaway is SPEED. 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 Again, the passcode for the Porsche or $50,000 giveaway is the word SPEED. Write it down, make a note of it now, and in a bit, we will give you the one for the Tesla giveaway. Okay? In a bit, I'll give you guys a Tesla giveaway, but this is just for the Porsche or $50,000. So if you're a lifetime member, you better write this code down. Okay? And then guys, in just a little while, we're going to be giving away the passcode for the Tesla giveaway. All right, again, guys, the word is SPEED, like the movie with Keanu Reeves. SPEED. Write it down. Okay? Oh, it's gone. That's it, guys. It's gone. You better have written down that passcode. All right, guys. I'll take two more questions, then we're gonna get down to business. Then we're going to get down to business. We'll take two more questions, guys. Two more. Fire away, type them in chat, and then we're going we're going to give away some cash or no one's taken a car yet. No one's taken the car yet. So far, every person that has won this giveaway has taken the cash. All right, 2 more questions, guys. Thanks for getting me over 25K, Mikey. No more PDT for me. Brandon Reinert, yes. Yes. Out of PDT for Brandon. Brandon, great job, man. That's huge. That is huge. Brandon, great job, man. That's a hell of an accomplishment. I'm proud of you. That's a hell of an accomplishment. I am proud of you. That's like it's a stepping stone for a trader, coming out of PDT. Like, PDT rule is something that really bothers a lot of traders. Well, do I use a cash account? Do I use a margin account? There's a lot of new traders that are on here tonight. So, maybe for those who don't know what PDT rule is, real quick, briefly, if you have less than $25,000 in your account and you're on a margin account means that your broker lends you money to actually trade with. So let's say you've got $1,000 in your account and it's a margin account. Your broker will give you 4 times that in buying power. Okay, so you'll be able to buy like 4 times the amount of a stock as you would if you just had the $1,000 that was in there. Okay, so if you're bound by PDT, you can only make 3 day trades, which means you buy today, you sell today. That's a day trade. You can only do that 3 times in a 5-day period. Okay, now a way around the PDT rule is to not have a margin account, have a cash account. Now, if you're on a cash account, you can make as many day trades as you want, but you will only be able to trade with the cash you have in your account, and it takes 2 days for cash to settle. So let's say you got $5,000 in your account and you make a trade and you buy $500 worth of a stock. You make some money on it, you sell it. Now you made $100. Now you have that 500 turned into 600. Well, you can't use that $500 again until for 2 days until the cash settles. So you can keep trading, but now you've only got $4,500 in buying power if you have a cash account. Okay, so that is one way is around PDT rule, guys. But let me make myself very clear. It is still extremely possible for you to trade while you're under PDT rule. There's just different styles and strategies that will help you do so, which is why swing trading is a big part of True Trading Group. It's a big part of True Trading Group. That's we actually have moderators that only swing trade. That they specialize in swing trading. Okay, every single day there are swing trades being called out in chat by our TeachD moderators. Literally every single day. This is the best trading group platform, bar none. Oh, Money Flow, I like your username. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate that. So again, Brandon, congratulations, man. Getting yourself out of PDT rule. That's amazing. Yes, hell yeah, Graham. Hell yeah, bro. Save me a slice. Come on, man. Save me a slice. Save me a slice. They call me Pizza Mike. Make a believer. Tell me which platform do you use and why? Which platform do I use? I assume you're asking me about like my trading platform. I use Lightspeed. So I use Lightspeed because Lightspeed is hands down has the best execution, I think, out of any of the retail platforms that are out there. And it's mostly because Lightspeed is available to retail traders, but it's an institutional platform. So when I first got hired at the firm in New York City, they used Lightspeed. I traded on Lightspeed. So I learned on Lightspeed. And I've been on it. I had a stint where I was like, I tried using E-Trade Pro for a little while. But I like Lightspeed the best. The execution is the best. The only thing about Lightspeed is that it's really not for beginner traders. E-Trade, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, their platforms are a lot more user friendly and their customer service is better. Like Lightspeed's customer service isn't really that great because most of their clients are experienced traders and are funds and institutions. So, trying to call Lightspeed to try to get them to help you like set up a scanner or something like that is not at the top of their list. But I've never had an issue with Lightspeed. Like when all that craziness was going on, when like Robinhood and like these other platforms like shut people out from trading GameStop, like nothing like that has ever happened to me in Lightspeed. And the executions are the fastest, hands down. Especially if you're someone that trades with size, you need that execution. You can't go to try to get yourself out of a 10,000, 20,000 share position and it just like gets stuck, and it takes 5, 6, 7 seconds for the order to fill. That can cost you thousands of dollars over the course of a month. So I use Lightspeed, but again, I wouldn't recommend Lightspeed for someone that's like just getting started. There's also still commissions on Lightspeed. E-Trade, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, there's no commissions. Okay, they have free commission trading now. Lightspeed, you still do pay a commission. Another reason why, like, you have a small account, there's no reason for you guys to be on Lightspeed. Stacy, I assume that's what you meant by which platform do I use. All right, guys. So I think that just about does it. That wraps up our Q&A session. We've got a lot to get into here tonight. We got 3,000 people that are watching this stream live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Seriously, guys, welcome everybody that's joining me. That is joining me on this live stream. Guys, listen up. There's a lot of people on the stream, like I said, that are new. A lot of you are typing the letter I in chat, which means a lot of you are new to True Trading Group in general. Maybe this is one of your first TTG live streams, or maybe you are a brand new trader and you're really new to the markets. I want you guys just listen to me carefully. Adam is my partner. You guys will meet him in a second. He's going to help me give away the Porsche and $50,000 here in just a moment. You'll meet him in just a second. But Adam and I have been working on building True Trading Group since we first came up with the idea back in 2014. We didn't launch until the end of 2016, like a private beta version. Then we went live to the public really in the beginning of 2017. And we've been building this platform ever since. We literally work about 12 to 15 hours a day minimum for our TeachD family. We provide all of our members with access to a professional 15-course curriculum. It's a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the firm in New York, where you have beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, how to trade down in a down market. Guys, there's even a course that teaches you how to do your taxes. You name it, we've got it all for you guys in text and video format. We've got Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed that gives you live breaking to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. You've got Quote Media's real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, real-time options data. You have TradingView Pro Plus charting software that's included with your membership as well. You have eTNA's Trade Simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, what you practice, implementing what you learn in the courses. You guys get access to a Trade Ideas scanner that shows you stocks that are making new highs, that have unusual volume. Access to our chat room, which is unlike anything that you've ever experienced, I guarantee it. No, our chat room is not WhatsApp. It's not Telegram. It's not Discord or Webinato or anything like that. It's a proprietary software that's a complete game changer. The features that you have access to inside of our chat is unreal. Ask any of our members. Our chat room is sick. I'm not just saying it because it's ours. The things that you have, like the ability to do inside of chat, is crazy. And then within chat, we trade with you live all day long. All right, we don't disappear 2 hours into the day and leave you guys to fend for yourselves. We're in the trenches with you all day, every day, me and the moderators. And as a group, as the moderators, as a group, collectively, we're sporting about an 83% win rate right now amongst me and the other 6 moderators. We give you guys complete access to everything. We don't charge you to talk to us. We don't charge you to ask us questions. We do live workshops and webinars every week. We do one-on-one mentor sessions. We do small private study groups. This month, we're actually going to be launching our brand new crypto course, and we're going to be revealing our new full-time crypto moderator. You've got our small account trading challenge that begins in May. That's going to be given. There's $100,000 in cash prizes that we're going to be giving out to the winners of the small account challenge that begins here in May. We go above and beyond for our people. You know, we literally also give away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of cash and prizes to our members. That's what you guys are going to see here tonight. Every time we get 300 new members in True Trading Group, we give away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. Every time we get 150 new lifetime members, we give away a brand new Porsche or $50,000 cash. This is what you're literally going to see happen tonight. We are giving away both tonight. That's $80,000 cash in giveaways tonight live on this YouTube channel. Every single member that also signs up with True Trading Group, okay, is going to be getting a free Asus, Lenovo, Dell, HP, or Chromebook laptop. Okay, we've got about 40 laptops left till tomorrow morning, and then we are done. Okay, listen to me very carefully. This is the last night that you will be getting a free laptop with your membership. We've got about 40 laptops left, and then that's going to be it. I don't know if we're going to do the laptops anymore. Okay, we're done. We're done with the laptops. So we've got about 40 of them left that we've already paid for. So we got about 40 laptops left. Okay, so the next 40 people that join TTG will be getting a free laptop, but after that, we're done, guys. After that, we'll be done with the laptop. So you might be like, why? Why the hell do we do all this? Like, why do we give away all of this amazing stuff? To answer that question, I'm going to actually first ask you a question. I want to know right now, how many people are on this live stream that have been part of another group? You know, you got courses or chat room, the usual stuff, and you were promised the world only to then be upsold like crazy, nickel and dimed, and always feel like success was just a few more $1,000s away. As long as you kept buying whatever they were selling you, that you'll eventually make money. If that happened to you, I want you guys to go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Look at all of these people. Look at all of these people. Look at all of these number 1s. Man. Wow. Guys, look at all those number 1s. That's why we do it. That's why we do this. Literally right there. See all those number 1s? That's why we do this. Guys, True Trading Group is also a business. It's a business that operates in a space that has one of the worst reputations, and for good reason. Look what's out there. This is an industry where people will literally say and do anything in order to get you to pay something, and then push you to pay more and more and more until you literally have nothing left to pay, and then they're done with you. They don't care how you do once you sign up. They don't care if you succeed. They don't care if you go on to be profitable or not, or fail. They don't care if you blow up your account. They don't care if you're struggling. They're not going to help you. If you're struggling, it's because you did something wrong, because they're so amazing that if you're not making money by being part of their group, then it must be your fault. It can't be their fault. It's your fault, right? That's why we do this. Adam and I decided a very long time ago that in order to have True Trading Group grow into something much bigger than just like a trading group, that we needed to come into this industry and just disrupt everything. Every day we eat, breathe, sleep this for our members. And yes, even after you pay your membership fee. Okay, like I said, we do those red to green workshops for anybody that's struggling. The members that you see in this chat are, okay, they're not paid to be here. They support us because they're doing well with us. They recognize our passion. They show their support. You know, guys, there's 3,000 people that are on this live here right now. So listen, guys, a membership to True Trading Group is normally $2,212. We're currently offering it for $1,281 until midnight tonight, but that price is going to be going up after midnight and will continue to go up every single day. Why? I'm glad you guys asked, because in life, honestly, you've got to know and understand your worth. Okay. And well, honestly, guys, we know ours, it's a hell of a lot higher than $1,200. We've got one price you pay upfront for the whole year. You get access to everything that I said to you before. Think of us like the Netflix of trading communities. I'm telling you all this right now. The price of a teaching membership is going up to $2,500 for the year. Yes, we will be running sales for like $2,250 or $2K here and there, but what we are offering you, okay, we understand the value of all of these things that are combined here. And yes, we're also going to have a price match guarantee also. Okay, we're also going to have a price match guarantee also. So if you guys you pay $2,500, then there's like a $2,000 sale. We'll give you that $500 credit for your renewal the following year. Okay, guys, we know what we're worth. $2,500. It's a fair price for what we offer, but we're not going to go there overnight. Okay, we're not going to just tomorrow. The price is $2,500. Tonight until midnight, you can pay $1,281. That's a 42% discount. Okay, that's a 42% discount. In order to get that discount, use the coupon code TTG121. You must enter the coupon code and then click apply code. If you don't, you're going to pay $2,000. Okay, you guys are on the live stream. Use the coupon code. It's there for you. It's for the live stream. Okay, so enter TTG121 to get the 42% discount. You make sure you click apply code. Also, in your checkout, you'll know if you're one of the 40 people that gets the laptop because it'll be in your checkout. If you go to checkout and there is no laptop in your checkout, that means the 40 laptops are already gone. I would not be surprised if they are gone before we are done with this live stream. So don't waste any more time. If you guys want to join, make sure you lock in that free laptop. Again, you must enter the coupon code TTG121 and click apply code to get the 42% discount. It will not do it for you automatically. Okay, the price is going up at midnight and will continue to go up every single day as we move our price up to $2,500 for the year. But right now you can get it for $1,281. There's also a money back guarantee for those that were maybe wondering. Anyone that joins with that coupon code TTG121, if you guys go through all of our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend a private study group, if you do those three things and still don't make back the $1,281, that's the cost of your membership. If you don't make that money back at least once through your membership, I'll give you your money back. I'll give you a full refund if you don't make that money back. I'm dead serious. I'll give you because guys, 82% of our members have gone on to be successful traders. That's how I'm able to offer you a money back guarantee. If all my members were losing, I wouldn't be able to do that for you. I wouldn't be able to do that for you. Okay. So that's a deal that I'm willing to make you. I basically guaranteed your membership price. All right. So use coupon code TTG121, get the 42% discount, get a free laptop, and get that money back guarantee. All right. All right, guys. With that being said, I don't want to waste any more time because my nerves are I'm like oozing out of my skull right now. I want to go ahead, guys. Let's just jump right into it. Let's get to the Porsche giveaway. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to bring on my partner, Adam. He's going to come on. He's going to show you guys the wheel, how this whole thing works. And then one lucky lifetime TTG member is about to win either a brand new Porsche Macan or $50,000 cash. Adam, where you at, man? You ready to do this or what?
What's going on, buddy?
Yo, is that Josh? Josh, you got a haircut?
Josh did get a haircut.
Nice, Josh. Looking good, bro.
Nice. All right. Oh, God, I don't want to be big. I hate being big on this thing.
Come on. Everyone likes it.
No, nobody likes it. Nobody likes it. All right. There's Joe sending me unnecessary messages right now. All right. So
Typical Joe.
Typical Joe. All right. So let's get into it, guys. So here's how this works. Okay. Right now we're going to be doing the Porsche or $50,000 giveaway. In a second, I'm going to share my screen. We use something called Wheel of Names. Tonight there are 571 people that have registered for this Porsche giveaway tonight.
Man, those are good odds.
Those are really good odds, man.
God, those are good odds.
If you're a lifetime member, you have a 1 in 571 chance of leaving tonight with a brand new Porsche Macan or $50,000 in cash.
Those odds are insane.
I know. So, all right. So I'm going to share the screen. Now, when we spin the wheel and somebody's name comes up, I'm going to verify that all the information is correct. I'm then going to call the person. We're going to try and either bring them on the stream or talk to them. The rules are that if they do not answer the phone, they have 5 minutes to get in contact with us. If they do not do that within the 5-minute time period, we will spin the wheel again. Okay, that is the rules. All of our members are made aware of these rules in advance. These are non-negotiable. That is it. Okay. Our members also have to give that passcode that we gave at the beginning. Nobody type it in chat, but you all know. Oh, there's Joe. Another message. So there we go. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to spin. Okay.
Let's do it, man. I think Oscar just joined the group too. Oscar, welcome to the family, brother.
Welcome, buddy. All right, hang on. Let me pull up. And then after this, we will get into the weekly outlook and then into the Tesla giveaway.
Hey, yo.
All right. We're saving the best for last.
Hey, yo.
All right. You ready, Mike?
Let's do it, man. Oh, my God. I'm so excited. Guys, bro, $50,000 is a lot of money.
All right. There it is. There's the wheel of names right there. Okay.
I'm so nervous. Oh, my God.
I'm a little nervous. All right. Let me turn this off for a second.
Make sure you got it set to the right time and everything.
Yeah. All good.
No, guys, we have not given the Tesla passcode yet. Here
we go. Yeah, watch this. Porsche $50,000 giveaway happening right now. All right. You ready, Mike?
Yeah, man. Let's do it.
All right. I hate this part.
I get so nervous.
I do. You just want somebody that's going to win it, that's going to actually need it.
Yeah, I just want the person who wins it to need it. That's it. Quiet, Josh.
Yeah, shut up, Josh.
Shut up, Josh.
Money. Back in your hole, Gip. All right, you ready? All right, the wheel's going to spin for 30 seconds. All right, let me just verify. Yep, 30 seconds. Perfect. Okay, you ready, Mike?
Oh, my God, yes. Let's go.
All right, here we go. It has begun.
Let's go. Every time you push it and like it speeds up, I get fucking. Oh, sorry. I get nervous every time it speeds up.
All right, hang on.
Here we go. Oh my God, here we go.
No whammies. LuckyMeeee!
Oh, lucky me! You're damn right, lucky you!
You're damn right, lucky you! All right, hang on. Let me get their info.
What a username. Lucky me.
Yeah, that's intense.
I wonder if they'd like changed it for this.
Maybe. Hang on, I'm looking up their info right now. No way.
He goes, no way. Who is it?
I know this person.
Yeah, because I don't recognize the name.
I do know this person. This is unreal, actually. There's a whole story behind this. Hang on a sec. Calling this person right now. Yo. Hello. Give me the passcode.
Speed.
Oh my God.
Yes!
I can't believe it either, man.
Who is it?
Yo, I'm gonna send you a text message right now. Can you jump on the stream for a sec?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I'm gonna send you the message to your cell phone right now. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Bye.
Who is it? What's their name in chat?
LuckyMeeee is their name in chat.
Oh, I don't know. I don't recognize the username.
Oh, I don't know.
That was me.
I know. I'm sending something to myself.
Somebody goes, it's Moment.
It's not Moment.
It can't be Moment. Moment's a moderator.
No, the funny story is that, okay, so I'll share the funny story while this guy logs on real quick. So the funny story here is that this guy goes ahead and accidentally files a dispute on his credit card 2 weeks ago for the lifetime membership price because he thought it was something else. So then we called him and we explained it and he took it right off, but we've been working with him on it. Like, hang on a sec.
That's crazy.
Yo! What's up, man?
Oh, the audio.
Can you? Oh, we can't.
No. Call him, Adam.
All right.
We can't hear you.
Hang on, Mike. Hang on. Hey.
Yeah, can you hear me
No, we can't hear you, man.
How good now?
No, we gotta hang up in order for you to do it. Let me hang up.
Okay.
All right, let's see if we can get him.
So some people are, yes, he is a lifetime member. Yes, guys, he got the charge when the charge for the lifetime membership came through. He disputed it, thinking it was something else, and then fixed it. He meant to become a lifetime member, but when he saw the charge on his credit card, he thought it was something else.
All right, well, I'll just call him real quick, and then we'll just talk to him for a second. We'll get into the other.
Just put the thing right up to the microphone, Adam, so we can hear him.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hey, just do me a favor. Turn off your YouTube for a second.
Sure. Yeah, I did.
Okay, perfect. So they can hear you. They just can't see you. So talk to me, man. Congratulations.
Thank you. I can't believe it, I was like, wow.
Yo, I can't believe it either. I can't believe that, like, because I shared the story about how, like, there was an accident with the dispute and everything, and I was like, man, that's the luckiest dispute that you've ever released in your entire life.
Lucky me.
Yes, I will. Seriously, thank you so much to Mike and you. Gave me all the knowledge.
I can't hear him.
Like a full-time, I have a full-time job, but still able to make some money. I'm doing good.
Hold on. Can you guys hear him in chat?
No.
I know, Mike, maybe you can't, but can they?
Can you hear me now, at least? No? Hello?
Okay, hang on a second. Hang on. All right, go ahead.
Can you hear me now? Hello? Okay, hang on a second. Hello?
It's low. Hang on.
Can you hear me now?
All right. So, anyways, all good. So, guys, what he's essentially saying, yeah, all right. Just if you could talk up, I'll try and do it. So tell us a little bit about what you wanted to say again, real quick.
Thank you. Thank you so much for you and Mike for educating me on all the trading. I have been through a couple of courses, but I have a full-time job. I'm still able to make money every day. Thank you very much, guys. I'm learning a lot from you both. I watch Mike's live stream every day. I'll make some time, even if I miss his live stream on YouTube. I'll take some time out after my work hours and try to catch up with whatever he teaches. He's been amazing. He's doing really, really good job. Thank you, Mike, and thank you, Adam.
It's my pleasure, man.
No, thank you, man. Thank you. Okay. All right, buddy. Thank you so much. All right. I'll get in touch with you tomorrow, and I will get. Wait. What are you taking? Are you getting the car or the money?
Yeah, wait. What is he taking? The cash of the car?
Money.
Yeah.
Of course. All right. Well, dude, I will hit you up tomorrow morning. I have your cell, obviously, and we'll get the paperwork filled out, and I'll send you a wire first thing tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Bye. Awesome.
That's sick.
Yeah. That is pretty cool.
That's sick. He sounded like a good dude.
He is a good dude. He is. He's like, dude, it's so crazy because Elena and I have been working with him because he's like, please don't cancel my membership. It was an accident. I was like, dude, we're not canceling your membership, you know? So, no, that's awesome. Awesome. All right, so Mike, you got your recap. I'll come back on for the Tesla.
Outlook, not recap. Outlook.
That's right, Outlook. All right.
Yeah. All right, guys. So listen. So check it out. So here's what we're gonna do now. Now I'm gonna get into the weekly outlook. Like, what are we looking for this week to happen in the markets? How are we gonna be making some money? And then we're gonna get into our Tesla giveaway. After I get into the weekly outlook, we're gonna give away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash to one lucky annual member. The Porsche and 50K, only lifetime members were eligible for that giveaway, but now all of our TCG members are eligible for the Tesla Model 3 giveaway or $30,000 cash. We're going to do that immediately following the weekly outlook. So I've got a little presentation here for you guys. Folks, you guys can all download this presentation. It's in the description below. There's a link. Click on it. You can download a PDF version of this presentation for you guys to be able to go through. Okay. Guys, listen. The passcode. Everybody listen to me. The passcode for the Tesla giveaway is electric. The password for the Tesla $30,000 giveaway is electric. Okay, one more time. Electric. Okay, electric. Write it down. Write it down. Because as soon as I'm done with this weekly outlook, we're going to do the Tesla giveaway. And if your name's called, Adam's going to call you. You better know the passcode. Okay. The passcode for the Tesla $30,000 giveaway is electric. It's going off the screen right now. You better write it down. Don't forget it. All right, guys, let's get into the weekly outlook. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to share my screen. And like I said, guys, again, this is available for you guys. You can download it. You can download this. There's a link right in your description below if you guys want to use it. Okay. Weekly outlook. Let's get down to business. All right. Coming into this week, we actually finished April a little bit on the weaker side. Okay. We actually finished, guys, listen, there's some people that are asking about the platform. After we give away the Tesla, we're going to go through, I'm going to go through with you guys the entire platform I'll show you guys the platform because there's some people asking about the platform of True Trading Group. So after we give away the Tesla and 30K, I'll walk you guys in detail through the platform so you guys can see what the TGG platform actually looks like and what you actually get access to. All right, so we finished things off actually a little bit weaker in April. Markets traded lower on Friday. You had tech and energy dragging things lower. Overall, the market for the week was flat, so we didn't necessarily lose ground or gain ground. We had a couple of big early moves and a couple of big sell-offs, and then when all was said and done, we kind of just ended the week flat. Strong earnings and guidance will remain in focus this week. We'll talk about that a little bit later. There's a lot of earnings still coming out here this week. Last week was your biggest week of earnings. Over 700 companies report. But this week is a huge week for earnings as well. COVID cases, same story. It's been the same story for the last several weeks. New U.S. cases and deaths continue to decline as the vaccine rollout continues. Globally, figures have risen for both cases and deaths, mostly because of India remains a hotspot. That country is in a whole world of hurt right now with what's going on there with the pandemic. Over the weekend, they set another pandemic record for new cases. Another big week, like I said, for earnings and economic data. Will more strong economic data bring back inflationary fears? That is yet to be seen. The results haven't really meant as much for earnings as the guidance has. Okay, so and again, when it comes to kind of the earnings, you really want to be focused on guidance. Okay, what everyone expects? Okay, for it to be, for your last quarter of earnings to be okay, but as you roll through into the back half of the year, what are we expecting? As the economy opens back up more, as COVID gets further behind us. That's what investors want to know how you're going to do for the rest of the year. Earnings, Monday, Tuesday, you got some big ones. Estee Lauder, Lowe's, Pfizer, CVS, ConocoPhillips, Activision, Dominion Energy, Lyft, Zillow, Cisco, you got Ferrari, Virgin Galactic, okay, just to name a couple. Wednesday, you've got big ones, PayPal, Booking Holdings is going to be a big one. Uber, GM, Twilio, MetLife, Rocket, Allstate, Etsy, okay, Wynn. Okay, you got a lot of things coming out here. A lot of big company earnings. Thursday, Friday, Anheuser-Busch, Square, one of my favorite companies. You got Moderna, Monster Beverage, Peloton, Roku, okay, Datadog, Plug Power, Beyond Meat, Papa John's, Blue Apron, DraftKings. You got some of the cannabis names. Okay, Kronos coming out with some of their earnings. There's a lot going on this week, guys. There's 23 laptops left. Just want to make sure you guys are aware. We had 40 laptops left. This is going to be the last night that we're doing these laptops. We had 40. We now have 23. I told you they might not last by the end of the live stream, so don't waste another second. Anyone that signs up tonight with coupon code TTG121 is going to get a 42% discount, a brand new laptop, and a money-back guarantee. So, guys, make sure you take advantage. Use that coupon code. You have to enter the code and click Apply Code in order to get the discount. It will not do it for you automatically. Okay, so that's the earnings that we have on deck here this week. Economic data, another busy week for economic data. Okay, stronger bounce back in the U.S. economy continues to stoke inflationary fears, but whenever there's an inflationary fear, it is immediately muted by the Federal Reserve and Chairman Powell. Whenever there's the slightest inclination of, inflation might be an issue, Powell comes out and goes, no, okay? Like Mkembe Mutombo in that commercial, no. That's Jerome Powell. Whenever somebody comes out, somebody make a meme of that for me, please, and send it to me on Twitter. Guys, my Twitter handle is @MikeEdward_TTG. Give me a follow on Twitter. I'm always posting trade ideas, trade recaps, general market commentary. Again, my Twitter handle is @MikeEdward_TTG. Somebody make me that meme and send it to me. All right. So, information we have coming out here this week. Monday, manufacturing PMI, construction spending. That's going to be high because materials, the price of materials have all skyrocketed, guys. The price of material has skyrocketed. You want to take a look at just the price of lumber. Lumber, was 3 times the price or 4 times the price that it was just a year ago. Total vehicle sales, the automotive market, red hot. Tuesday, international trade, factory orders. Okay. That's going to be important because you're going to want to see are these factories all kind of back online now? You had some factories that were shut down during COVID. You had a couple of factories shut down again in Europe over the last couple of months. So you're going to want to see how the factory orders come into play there. ADP employment data comes out. That's going to give you an inside look into the employment sector, services PMI. These are some numbers that you can look towards that can possibly gauge the strength or speed of inflation. Initial jobless claims, productivity, and costs. We know costs are going to be high. Inflation is here. Right? All you have to do is look at the cost of materials. Inflation is here, folks. That is undeniable. But the question is it under control? And that's what Fed Chairman Powell continues to say. All right. Is he right? I hope so. I don't think that, but listen, what the hell do I know? I mean, Jerome Powell is one of the brightest economists in the world. That's why he's the head of the Federal Reserve. Okay. But Fed chairs have been wrong in the past. Ben Bernanke was wrong about the subprime mortgage crisis. Just saying. Guys, for those that are signing up right now, because a couple more people just signed up since I just said that about the laptops, to claim your laptop, there's going to be a little blue support chat icon on the bottom right of our website. Click on that, enter your information so we can mail you your laptop. Okay. So again, there's a blue support icon at the bottom of our website. Click on that, enter your address so we can send you your laptop. And then last but not least, Friday, you've got unemployment data, payrolls, consumer credit, wholesale trade. So there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on here this week. All right. Now let's talk about small caps. Last week's small caps did cool off by Friday, but there are some outliers. So what I've been seeing in small caps right now, is, the small cap sector as a whole has kind of been trying to come back to life. And you have these individual situations, these individual outlier cases like MVIS, BTX that are giving you phenomenal short squeezes and follow throughs. And I'm thinking that this is going to really start to wake up small caps. This started like 2 weeks ago where it looked like small caps were starting to come back to life, but you didn't get like blanket overall, like the whole entire sector. Okay. It was like very isolated incidences, isolated parts of the small cap market where you had, individual news catalysts and some media coverage, like the Reddit crowd. And then once the Reddit crowd picks it up, CNBC picks it up. They talk about it. Bloomberg picks it up because CNBC picked it up and it's just a snowball effect. And that just brings more and more eyeballs onto a stock. And that's exactly what happened to companies like OCGN. That's what happened to companies like MDIS, BTX, Clove, CLOV. That was another one. So like that's what has been happening to a lot of these stocks. So you have these individual circumstances where there's tremendous opportunity. Like we made some money on BTX last week. BTX was a huge mover, guys. BTX is a massive short squeeze. That stock went all the way up into the high 70s, and that stock was in the single digits just a few days ago. Okay, that stock was single digits a few days ago, went all the way up into the 70s. We were actually, if you caught my live stream on Friday, I encourage you guys to go back and watch my live stream Friday, because while I was doing my live stream, as I'm talking to people, I noticed that BTX starts to move after hours. And we pulled up BTX, we pulled up the chart, and I started just kind of walking everybody through the entire trade on BTX. We talked about 59.50 support level, and the stock pulled in and was like, guys, that's where you want to be a buyer, right there in front of 59.50. We did it right there in real time, kind of walking people through that entire analysis, that entire trade. And the stock ended up running all the way to 78 after hours. It was actually a lot of fun. So I encourage you guys, if you missed out on that live stream, or maybe this is the first one you're ever viewing, when we're done here, go back and check out the live stream from Friday. It's a really good one. And we talk about BTX. So I'm going to still be going after these small caps. There's still really good opportunity in them. I'm really diversified right now. I traded SPY options on Friday as well for like a 23% gain, I believe it was, on the SPY options. We've got a Peloton position that we've taken profit on. We nailed the 59% gain on Tesla put options. I've been trading BTX and some of these small caps. So like there's a lot of variety right now in markets where, you know, you don't have to just be like this one trick pony. There's opportunity across the board. There's opportunity in the overall indexes. There's opportunities in large caps. There's opportunities in small caps. And with all these slew of earnings coming out this week, there's going to be opportunities with mid caps that are gapping up or down on earnings. So this is going to be a very busy week. There's a lot of earnings. There's a lot of economic data. You guys got to make sure you get your butts in chat and are ready to jump on these opportunities, because I know that me and my THD fam, we're going to be right there in chat, ready to rock and roll come tomorrow morning. Cryptocurrencies are heating back up a little bit. Bitcoin's back above 55K. Ethereum, record highs in Ethereum, guys. Record highs in Ethereum. The NFT craze. Dogecoin testing 40 for the first time since mid-April. Okay, Dogecoin, the fact that Doge is back to 40 is actually pretty crazy. And I think that does start to set it up for the squeeze move that a lot of people are talking about. A lot of people are thinking about. Okay. So there you have it, folks. This is, you can download this. Okay. Click the link in the description below. Adam bought Dogecoin at 17 cents, guys. He wants me to let you guys know. Adam bought Doge at 17 cents. So yeah, right now we're up in the 40. You have a lot of resistance up there in the mid 40s, guys. You had a lot of resistance up there in the mid 40s. So we'll see if it's able to break through that. You know, who knows? Who knows with these meme coins. So like I said, if you guys want to download this, you can. It's right. There's a link in the description below. It's for you. All right. It is all for you. All right. So that does it, guys. That wraps up our weekly outlook. That's what's going on here this week in the markets. And now you know what time it is, guys. It's time to bring Adam back on, and it's time to give away a Tesla or $30,000 cash.
Hello, Michael.
Hello, Adam.
I just want to say that I also bought Ethereum well under 3,000, and Bitcoin at the very low 50s. So I'm doing all right. If this keeps going, Mike, I'm going to buy my own Tesla and ride off into the sunset from True Trading Group with a big crypto horse.
Maybe you'll be the new crypto mod.
Yeah, maybe I'll get a divorce. Oh, it's funny because it's true. All right, let's do it. I know I just said there was 19 laptops left, but that's not true. There's less. It's happening very quick. I can't keep up with it and do this at the same time.
Yeah, I told people that they're not going to last.
All right. Just know that if you go to the checkout page and the laptop is not in your cart, it means that you are not getting it. Okay, so just pay attention to that. All right, let's bring up the wheel of names one more again. Joe, hit him with that link, please, one more time. All right. All right, Mike, let's, where's my shared screen?
We doing this?
We are doing it. All right, guys, same exact rules as before, okay? Tonight, same rules as before. We have 2,395 names here. All right? Actually, that is, hold on one second. Let me make sure that I got the right list in here. 1 second. I think it's still just pulling from the other one. Hang on 1 second.
I'm hanging.
Okay. Tesla. Sheet 1. Chat room nicknames. Polyfix. Actually, let's do an incognito window just to be safe. One sec, dude. Almost there. Mike, talk to the people while I'm doing this. Take a question or something.
Okay. All right, so guys, yeah. Adam's getting the list and everything loaded up into the wheel, so we can get things rolling. What I actually did want to talk to you guys about real quick, while Adam is doing that, I'm actually going to bring up my charts for a second, because I did want to run through something with you guys on the SPY that is actually really important that I want to focus on. You know, a couple of points here. I'll go to a 15-minute chart just so I can show you guys this. It's a lot easier to see on a 15-minute chart. This is everything. This 416.50 area is everything. Okay? This level of support is everything. Okay?
I'm ready when you are. Just finish what you're doing.
Okay, and it goes all the way back to this gap down. Okay, I've been talking to you guys about this level now for the last couple of days. This level needs to be your focal point on Monday. Okay, this level needs to be your focal point on Monday. This 416.50. If this level breaks, I think you see the SPY go straight to like 414. Okay, if this level breaks, I think we go straight to 414. We are well above it right now. We're 418.60. We're well above it right now. We're about, what is that, $2 to $3 above it in the futures market right now. So we have a little bit of wiggle room, but this is the level you guys want to have in focus. All right. All right, let's do it. I just want to show people that level real quick, Adam, because that was a big one.
Yeah. All right, ready to go. All right, let's bring up the screen. Okay. All right, guys, 2,395 of you are participating tonight, okay? Those are great odds considering we have over 5,800 active members. So that is huge, all right? So same rules, we're going to spin the wheel. Whatever name comes up, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to call them. They got to give me the passcode, and we go from there. You ready, Mike?
Let's do it, man. I can't wait.
Ugh.
Let's go.
I know. Hang on. All right, let's give it a whirl.
Guys, one of you are going to get 30 grand right now.
I still can't believe that we give away $80,000 at least once a month.
What's the total right now? Where are we at?
Oh my God, it's a lot. It's almost $500,000.
Yeah, it's
with the stimmies and everything. It's like 500 grand.
Oh my God. So crazy.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot.
I don't care. I love it. I love doing it.
All right. You ready, man?
Yep, let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck, everyone. We already gave the passcode out. Nobody give the passcode out, or we're not going to do it. All right, let's go.
Oh God. Right? It's like,
Christy JF.
Christy JF.
All right, give me a second. Let me just verify.
Christy JF. Congratulations, Christy. I hope you're by your phone. I hope you have the passcode.
Hang on.
Christy JF. Everyone's like, please don't answer. Please don't answer.
Awful. All right, yeah. Yeah. She registered November 22nd, 2020. Her username in chat is Alun88. And let's do it. Hang on. Gonna give her a call right now. All right. Oh, Mike, she's local, dude. She's from Florida. So if she takes the car, it will be pretty sweet.
If she what?
Takes the car, it'll be nice because from Florida.
That would be cool.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my God. Electric.
It's electric. She got it.
Yes!
Aw.
I can't hear.
Oh my God.
Can you hear now, Mike?
No.
I'm so sorry.
Now I can.
I'm just.
You're kind of in shock a bit, huh?
Yes.
Oh man! Well, congratulations. You have just won $30,000 or a brand new Tesla Model 3, whichever you choose. And you do not have to choose this second. You can let me know tomorrow if you want to sleep on it, but it's totally up to you.
I will definitely take the cash. I'm so sorry.
No. Look, cash for us is easy. You know, that's easy. So yeah, no worries. So the cash is yours.
I'm also. I also wanted to say I'm also in line. This is going to help me pay off the lifetime membership because I'm on a payment plan with you.
Oh well, good. The good news for you is that any annual member that wins one of these Tesla giveaways, we essentially just upgrade them. We're not going to take back our money to then give to you. So yeah, whatever you've paid, and that'll be what your cost is, and we'll just move you up.
Oh my God! Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
So, no, it's our absolute pleasure. You know, I mean, look, can you just also confirm that you and I are never, that we have not spoken before, and that you and I are not related?
I'm from Haiti.
Huh?
I'm from Haiti. My ancestors are from Haiti. I'm Black, so.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm Jewish, so I mean, that's close, right?
I'm so happy for her. I am so happy for her.
Really happy for you. So what would you say? I mean, look, aside from winning the money, which is great, right? But like, what would you say to somebody out there that's watching this that like is considering joining True Trading Group, like, what would you say to those people?
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Like, I use my stimulus money to get into this. I got on the 23rd. That was my first time on watching your YouTube live. You sent me like text several times. I'm like, let me go ahead and try it out and see what's up. And then as soon as I saw like Mike speaking and what he was giving away for free on YouTube, I'm like, oh my God, I just, you know what? There's a money back guarantee. I can go through the course if it's not what I want, but you're actually exactly what I was looking for trading. Like the education and everything is there. So if you have the money, even if you don't really have the money, you have your stimulus check and you're able to do like to work and you don't really need the stimulus check, promise you it's worth it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to go ahead and get in contact with you in the morning. We'll get the paperwork filled out, and I'll go ahead and send you a wire.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. All right. Have an amazing night.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
That's awesome, dude.
Oh, that was so awesome.
I know. That really is something special.
Dude, she was, oh my God. You can hear it in her voice.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm so happy for her. And I think it's amazing that the very first thing that she thought of was, I'm going to pay for a lifetime membership. That's the first thing that she thought of.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, yeah. I mean, look, man. I mean, you know, this is pretty special stuff, and I'm glad that we get to share that with everyone here as well.
Yeah, man. She was crying.
Yeah, she was.
She was crying. You know, that's why I love doing these. And you never know. You know, you never know what's going on in people's lives. You know, and I just hope that every time we do these, that it goes to someone.
I know that's really our biggest thing between you and I is, you know, behind the scenes, we're always like, hey, I really hope that this is going to someone who needs it.
Yeah.
You know, because that really is the most important thing.
Yeah.
So,
for sure. Crazy, man.
We have 14 laptops left.
Oof, guys. I told you these probably weren't going to last by the end of the stream. You know, I told you guys that these weren't going to last by the end of the stream. So, you know, use that coupon code, guys, now if you want to get the discount and get the free laptop. I'm telling you, we're done. After there's 14 left. Once we're done with these 14, that's it. We're not giving the laptops away anymore for the foreseeable future. Okay, so if you guys are considering joining the group, use coupon code TeachD121. You'll get the 42% discount. That price goes up at midnight, and you'll get one of the free laptops, which will be gone probably by midnight as well. So, and if you guys don't listen, if you guys did not win the Tesla today or the 30 grand, don't sweat it. You know, we do this every time we get 300 new members. Okay, so there'll be another one here coming up soon.
Actually, really soon.
We're already 15% of the way there for the next one.
I think it's more than that. I think we're like 30% there.
It's crazy. So, like I said, guys, you know, and if you guys, all you need to do is be a member, and you guys can register for the giveaway. That's it. You should be a member. That's it. Just be a member. All right, guys. So another successful giveaway in the books, man.
I want to put this comment on screen from Carrie Franklin that said, I won when I joined TTG.
Hell yeah, Carrie.
You know, and I think, like, look, these giveaways are awesome, and they're a lot of fun and everything else. But at the same time, like, if you want to get a car or a laptop or make some cash, like, we're not a scratch-off ticket either.
Right.
You know, this isn't a casino. You know, I mean, Mike, go ahead and ask them. You know, if they're ask them if they're a better trader. Go ahead.
Yeah, got my TXD fam. If you guys are a better trader because of two trading groups, sound off in chat right now. Sound off in chat right now if you're a better trader because of two trading group.
Because honestly, I feel like that's the stuff that matters.
Yeah,
you know, it's like
the giveaways are fun. Don't get me wrong. I mean, obviously it's fun for members. It's a lot more fun for the people that win, but it's a lot of fun for Adam and I and the TXD fam. Like we really enjoy doing these. But that's not the reason to join True Trading Group. You know, the perks are cool, the giveaways are cool, but you know what's a lot cooler? Buying your own Tesla with your trading profits. That's a lot cooler. You know, going on that, like that once thought to be out of reach vacation with your family with trading profits, that's cooler. You know, having a global pandemic shut down your business or cause you to lose your job and not miss a single bill payment because you have a second source of income through trading is a lot cooler. Setting yourself up in a long-term portfolio that can, you know, establish and build wealth for you over the course of your life, and something that you can leave to your children and can turn into a generational portfolio that gets passed down through generations to come. That's cooler. You know, one day being able to walk into your boss's office and say, go yourself, I'm out of here because I'm going to go become my own boss. That's a hell of a lot cooler. The giveaways are cool, guys. They're fun. They're cool. But don't join True Trading Group just because you want a chance to win a Tesla. Join True Trading Group because you want to learn how to trade. You want to get a professional education. You want to be part of a group that genuinely cares whether you succeed or fail. A group that's going to be there with you to provide you with the tools, the resources, the mentorship, the camaraderie, the community, the information, the education that is going to help you get the best possible chance you have of becoming profitable at this. Trading is not easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to join True Trading Group and just start making boatloads of money the next day. You've got to be willing to learn. You're learning a new skill. This is what you all need to understand. You're learning a new skill. And just like any other skill, it takes time to excel at it. Don't think you're going to put a couple $1,000s in a Robinhood account and you're just going to start making boatloads of money because Michael said so. Okay? It's not that. That's not the way it works. I'm not going to sit up here and promise you that you'll become a millionaire and buy a Lamborghini and a mansion, because I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. Can that happen for some of you? Absolutely. Because what's you want the truth about trading? The truth about trading is that it's not easy. It doesn't happen overnight. Okay. There's ups, there's downs, there's bumps, there's bruises, there's broken bones, there's tears, there's blood, there's sweat. But at the end of the day, the journey is all worth it. And at the end of the day, there is no limit to your upside. You know, you want to make 50 grand a year. Okay. Nothing's stopping you. 100, nothing stopping you. 250, 500, a million, more. There's nothing stopping you. Why not? Like there's no system. There's no hierarchy that's going to prevent you from doing that. If you get better and continue to get better and better and better and better, there is no limit to what you can accomplish. That's what is true. But it's not going to happen overnight. And if anybody came on this live stream tonight and they're like, oh, wow, this guy, he used to work at a firm in New York City. He worked on Wall Street. They gave him an award. He's got the secret. He's going to give me finally, Eureka, finally the secret. There's no secret. If you thought I was going to give you some kind of special equation or a secret indicator or a special pattern that nobody knows about, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Sign off the live stream now if that's what you're looking for. TTG is not it. It doesn't exist. There's plenty of other services out there that would love to convince you there is and make you give them $2,000, $5,000, $7,000 for you to realize that there really isn't. I'm here to tell you that if you want to know what the secret is what the professionals do, right? That's what you would think. You'd be like, oh, these professionals, man, these hedge funds, they must know the secret. You want to know the secret? The secret is that the fund that I worked for didn't let a single new hire touch $1 of their money until they went through an educational training program. That's the secret. If a fund in New York City won't let a single new hire touch $1 of their money without putting them through a training program, then why on earth would you touch $1 of your own money without going through an educational training program? Think about that for a second. Think about that. And that is why now when you guys join True Trading Group, you are getting a simplified version of the education that I received when I worked at the fund. That's what TTG is all about. It's not about Teslas and Porsches and 30 grand and 50 grand. Yes, that's cool. It's fun. It's not about free laptops and this and that. Yes, it's fun. But at the end of the day, business. Getting down to business. And that's what me and my TGD fam are going to be doing starting at 7:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow when the Culotta Club opens up chat. And then when 9:30 that bell rings, we're going to have our game plan ready to execute and ready to take advantage of opportunities. And the question is, are you going to be there too? Or are you going to be trying to figure it out on your own, running around like a chicken with your head cut off? That's what you guys have to ask yourselves. Guys, listen. It's my goal on every single one of these live streams to make sure that you get value from all of these live streams. That's why we do this. Okay. I want to make sure that you learn something on every single live stream. So I want to know, did you do that here today? If you guys got value out of this live stream tonight, I want you all to type the number 1 in chat right now. Look at all those number 1s. Now we're talking, guys. Look at all these number 1s. Beautiful. Hell yeah. Thank you, guys. Excellent. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, now I want to know who is still on the live stream that is not a member of True Trading Group. Type the letters TTG in chat right now. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, type the letters TTG in chat right now. All right, we got Evelyn Anderson, Abila Barry. We got Alec, Elite Party DJ, Michael Gagnier, LOL Games, Joe Fryer, Devin Stock, Yogi, Scott Stonell, Everyday Hustler, Christopher Smith, James Mack, Michael Shasteen, Ahmad Sayad Drastic Measures, Paul Maldonado. I actually know a Paul Maldonado. T.S., Kurt M., Humberto, Larry, Alak, beautiful guys. Fernando Martinez, Nick J., Louis Bernardi, Ariel S., Jose Rafael Morena, Remy Solis, Jax Wolfenslagen, Melvin. Guys, beautiful. Look at all these TTGs. Swapna, Humbert. Look at all these TTGs. I love it. Awesome. Guys, listen, everyone that just typed TTG in chat, seriously, listen to the next thing I'm going to tell you guys, because no one's going to be willing to do the work that's needed for you guys to reach your goals. You have to be willing to do it. It all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, being part of the right community is going to help you guys learn, trade, and profit. A 1-year membership to True Trading Group normally costs $2,212 for the year. Okay. But from now until midnight, okay, you got a couple hours left, guys. From now until midnight, it's your last chance to save 42% off to get a discount that brings the price all the way down to $1,281 and to get a free laptop while supplies last. Okay. There's no upsells. There's no add-ons in True Trading Group. You get full access to me and the moderators, including everything that we have and everything we ever will have. And it's a lot. Before I get into that, like I said, think of us as the Netflix of trading communities, where you guys pay one price, you get access to every single thing that we have. As a member of True Trading Group, you guys are going to get access to the top premium trading tools and products because we bundle them together as part of your membership. Included is Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is a live breaking to the second news alert service directly inside of our chat room that my mods, my TG fam, I use this every single day in chat. It is an invaluable service. There's also a squawk box feature that lets you turn your speakers on. You can listen as someone reads the news headlines to you as they come across the wire. Guys, I can't tell you how much money this new service has made me and saved me by giving us news before the rest of the crowd. Quote stream, real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, real-time options data is included as well, with a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money where you practice implementing what you learned in the courses. You guys are also going to be able to get a trade ideas real-time scanner that shows you what are the best stocks you'd be trading that day, what stocks are making new highs, what stocks have heavy volume. These are the things that you guys are going to want to look for. That gets streamed directly to our members every single day in chat. Then you have TradingView's Pro charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. Guys, that's included. All of these things, all these tools are included, no additional charge. You're going to get at least 10 easy to follow actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders got over an 83% win rate. We are fully transparent in True Trading Group. Okay. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every single buy and every single sell that our moderators make. So you can track all of our performance. The wins, the losses, the break-evens, folks, they are all there for you to see. Then you're going to get access to one small private study group. That's going to be with any TGG moderator. This is your time to answer questions or ask questions and go over different lessons and topics that you need help with. Okay. Then you're going to get access to the courses. This is the 15-course curriculum, guys. Beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, trader psychology, swing trading. Okay, you guys name it. We've got it in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then on top of the courses is a video library that's got over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are recorded workshops, webinars that we conduct every month with our members. Some of them are like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger, just to name some. Okay. Guys, the value you're getting at this $1,281 price point is insane. I'm telling you guys now, we are walking this price up to $2,500. The membership to True Trading Group will soon be $2,500 for the year. You can get it right now for $1,281 with the coupon code TGG121 and get yourself a free laptop. But let's talk about value for a second, because that Benzinga newsfeed would normally cost you $1,188 for the year. If you went to Benzinga on your own and wanted that news feed, that's how much it's going to cost you. It's included with your membership for no additional fee at all. QuoteStream would charge you $990 for the full level 2 book. The trade simulator costs $750 a year, and TradingView charges $720 a year for the charting software. Those services alone, if you were not a member of True Trading Group, would cost you $3,648 a year. They're all included with your membership when you pay just $1,281. Guys, I'm telling you, we're going to be up over 2K soon, and that's still cheaper than the competition, and we give you 10 times the value. I told you, our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. To do that, we've got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors, guys. This isn't a sales gimmick. I'm telling you now, we will be $2,500 a year sooner than you think. My TGD fam, you guys think it's worth $2,500? What do you guys think a membership to True Trading Group is worth? My TGD fam, sound off in chat right now. Tell me what you think a membership to TTG is really worth. Be honest. Be honest. Ms. Green Candle says 5K. Jeffrey Perales says 5K. Debs says 25K easy. Jason says 10K or more. Eric Bostic says 5K easy. Julie Coltis says priceless. Eddie says easy 4K. Skyburst says priceless. Breakfast Leadership says 10K. Celeste says 15K all day. Kawakawa says 5K easy. Happy Glass says 5,000 a year. Bruce Sears says the price of freedom. I love that. Jeff Carroll says 10K. Wild Child says double that and I'd pay it gladly. Lloyd Braun says with all the goodies you offer, 5K. Goat 8 says 5K easy. Laura Podmar says 10K. Marcos, says invaluable. Diana says priceless. Nicole BJ says worth the investment, exclamation point. Tamina says easy 5K. Lohith Nagara says priceless. Eddie easy 5K. Daryl 5 to 10K. Marcia Gomez says 30K at least. Oh my God, that's expensive. That's a little excessive. That's a lot. But guys, honestly, I don't know. Is it like, I mean, the value of what you guys are getting? How do you put a price tag on that stuff? You know, how do you put a price tag on potentially becoming a consistent profitable trader for the rest of your life? I mean, how do you put a price tag on that? You know, it's crazy. My teaching fam, you guys make your membership feedback yet? If you're a member of True Trading Group, comment in chat right now how soon you made your membership feedback. Comment in chat right now, guys. Three weeks, first day, 3 weeks for Eric, 3 weeks for Celeste, first day for Lori, 6 weeks for Kawakawa, Tamina, 5 days. First day for Leonard Poon, 1 week for Jeff Carroll, couple months on a real small account for Bruce Sears. Not yet for Maria. She's still a newbie. Don't worry, Maria. Hang in there. We're just getting started. Susie Laurie says 3 weeks. Jason started with $350 in his account. He made his membership fee back in 3 weeks. Do the math. 1 week for Wild Child. Cece says, I'm already halfway there, but I started with a real small account. Savannah says, made it back in just 1 month. Peyton Weaver says, I'm almost there, Mike, in about another week or two. Take your time, Peyton. Take your time, brother. Christopher Smith. Look at this. Pam, 3 weeks. 1 month for Nicole. Daryl made his membership fee back in 3 weeks, then bought a lifetime membership and made that back in 6 months. Marcia Gomes, 3 days. Look at this. Incredible. Brenda, within 2 days, CN, guys, CN is already halfway there as in 1 week as a member, is halfway there, only on $1,000 account. Is already halfway there after 1 week. Okay? Guys, this is what I'm talking about, man. You know, this is what I'm talking about. The value you guys have right now. Use coupon code TGD121. Again, you must enter the coupon code, guys. You have to enter the coupon code and click apply code to get that discount. Otherwise, you're going to pay $2,000. It doesn't automatically do it. Type the coupon code literally in that box. Type TGD121. Click apply code. Then you will see the price of your membership go all the way down to reflect $1,281 for the rest of the year. Okay. Remember, if there is still a laptop in stock, you will see the laptop in your checkout page. If you go to the checkout and there is no laptop, you will know that means they are all sold out. I believe we have like less than 10. Guys, also, I forgot to tell you guys this. So we're moving our price to $2,500. If you pay $1,281 today, and next year our price is $2,500, when your membership renews, you will only pay $1,281 to renew. It doesn't matter what the price of our membership is once you join. When you join, you lock in that price. Okay, you are grandfathered in at that price. The price you pay today is the price you'll pay for life. So every time your membership renews, you'll renew at the price you paid today, which is $1,281. Folks, we're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. About 1,100 people have left us reviews on Trustpilot. Literally, about 1,100 people took the time to write us a review on Trustpilot. I encourage you all to go and read some of these reviews on Trustpilot is the best way for you guys to know. Okay. We got a review here from Jake Pritchard just 2 days ago. Let's get 100,000 subscribers. I joined after watching live streams for over a month. I made enough money from the live streams to join in February and started the training courses. TTG offers everything you need to be successful with hard work and an education. I don't have a ton of money yet, but I have learned so much without losing any money. They're giving back to the members in so many ways. I really appreciate the honesty and dedication of all the moderators. It's my first year trading, and I'm blessed to have found TTG. Yes, Jake. Yes, 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 yes. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yep, my restream has just crashed. Oh, my system has just crashed on me, guys. I don't know if you guys can all still hear me or not. All right, so you guys, I think, can still hear and see me, but I can't see or hear, or I can't see anything on my end. Okay, so I'm just going to keep on going, but if you guys can still hear me, I'm just going to keep on going. I'm going to keep on going. So yeah, guys, I encourage you to go read these reviews on Trustpilot, okay? I encourage you to go read the reviews on Trustpilot. It's the best way, honestly, is for you guys to get a feel for, you know, what are other members saying. That's the best. The best thing for you guys is to be able to, you know, read that of your peers. You know, the people that are commenting here today on this live stream that, you know, making money and, you know, how fast they made their membership feedback and all these people, you know, how many became, who's a better trader, all these people, they found TTG the same way you did. And that's a live stream. Same way Jake did. Okay. The same way Jake did. He's joined after watching live streams. That's how we found True Trading Group. You know, and that's how you guys are finding True Trading Group now as well. There's no difference between them and you. None. None whatsoever. Guys, don't forget, we've got that money back guarantee as well. Anyone that uses coupon code TTG121, you guys are going to get a 42% discount, brings the price all the way down to $12.81. You're going to get a free laptop as long as supplies last. I think we have less than 10 left, 7 or 6 or something like that. We have only a couple laptops left. I told you they probably weren't going to last very long. And then anyone that joins, uses the coupon code TTG121 and does the following. If you go through all the courses, pass all the quizzes, and attend a private study group. If you And we're back. And we're back. So like I said, guys, you do those 3 things. Go through all the courses, pass all the quizzes, attend a private study group. That tells me you tried. That tells me you put in an effort. If you do that and you still don't make back $12.81, which is your price to join right now, if you don't make back that money at least one time throughout your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'll give you a full refund. That's how much I stand behind my platform and the education that we provide. 82% of our members have gone to be profitable traders. If that was not the case, I would not be able to offer you a money back guarantee. It's just that simple. Okay. So the choice is yours, guys. I know where I'll be tomorrow morning. Where are you going to be? Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Use coupon code TTG121 before the price jumps at midnight and before there's no more laptops. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The live stream tonight. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and of course, smash that like button if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys all tomorrow in chat. Later, guys.